Hello guys, this is from Part 1 Technology. I'll show you how to set up EagleEye for Evitech DVR on your Android mobile phone. So please follow my instruction and how to do. Okay. First you will go download the EagleEye, then I will step by step I will show you setup. So download EagleEye, you have to press Play Station, Google Play Station. So this icon will Play Station, we will go to Play Station, and here you will search EagleEye, EagleEyes. You see here is down below. Here is writing EgaleEyes Lite. So you will press here EgaleEyes Lite. So in my Android phone have already EagleEye. So it's showing like open, but you will see your Android phone install. So you will press the install. It will automatically install in your phone. When it's finished installing, you will see like this open. Okay, then press open, or you will go to your main screen and you will find where the EagleEye icon. You will see here EagleEye icon, this like a eagle picture. So you will press EagleEyes here. Then it will open. Was typed add. So you press add plus sign icon. Okay. Then it will appear like this. So you press manual. Your setting manual. So you will press here manual. So it will come here like this. You will type anything you like. Anything this from my factory my factory IP address. This is your DVR IP address. You have to type here DVR address. So like 102.50. This is real IP. I mean, this is real IP. You have to type here real IP. And it will be 138. So this real IP finished. Then you will go to the port. You will type port here. What you have in your DVR, you type here, and it will type here. Type here the username. I don't know what you have, so you check your DVR. This is DVR IP. This is DVR username. Or my DVR is like this. I put here username and then password. So this is the DVR password. You have to take care. This is my password. So you will check here down, get the type. So you will type here, just press get the type. It will show you how many. You will see this is called how many DVR. You will see DVR is 30 CIC channel, and you press here save. Nothing else. Then it will show you my office. You will see the my office, my factory. You see it will here my factory means down. So my factory just my factory. So here is two icon, two sides, left side and down side. You will not press left side or down side. You will press center, like your right name my factory. So you press here my factory like this. Okay. Then you will check. It will show you your factory. So you can check from here icon icon. There is lot of things you can